Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about our drone project. Our team name is Smoke Chases and we fly high to seek help from the sky. This is our team logo, and in our team we have Azza, Fadwa and myself. We're all girls from Al Basma British School. The concept of our drone is related to forest fires because forest fires are very common around the world, especially in countries like USA and Australia. Forest fires can be easily caused by nature and people as well. Lightning can set trees on fire, which can then be spread across the whole forest. Fires can also be caused by campers who leave unattended campfires or cigarettes behind. So our drone is designed to reduce the amount of forest fires happening around the world. The process of our drone is that if there is a forest fire, our drone will be sent to inspect the location of the forest fire and detect any smoke and fire. Once the smoke and fire is detected, it would then send signals to the forest rangers and fire department immediately. Our drone will be also able to use artificial intelligence to predict the possibility of the fire spreading on an hourly basis if not treated urgently. This information will be also passed on to the fire department, alerting them that the situation is getting worse. Novelty. Our drone is unique because it is aerodynamic, so when it flies or hovers in the air, it will be able to do it very smoothly. Our drone will be also covered and the propellers will be enclosed, so if the propellers hit any object, they won't break very easily. Our drone's body will have holes in it, so the air can flow inside and out very easily, keeping the components of the drone cool at all times.
So why is our drone important? Forest fires are a very big issue that has been going around the world, especially in countries like USA and Australia, where there are vast forests everywhere. Every year, thousands of acres of land, houses, and lives are lost due to forest fires. Our drone has sensors that can detect smoke and fire and the chances of the fire spreading on an hourly basis in a particular direction with the help of AI forecast. Drone specifications. The frame size of our drone is 210 millimeters. The weight of the drone is 700 grams. 500 grams for the drone and 200 grams for the battery. The payload weight is 50 grams. Therefore, we estimate that the total weight of our drone is around 750 grams. The components. We decided to use a PETG frame, which has a wheelbase of 210 millimeters. As for our motors, we decided to use an RS2205 brushless DC motor that has active cooling fins, which will greatly reduce the temperature of the operating motor. ESC, or electric speed controller. We'll be using a Simon K brushless ESC, which is suitable for remote control aircraft.
I'm going to be explaining our second part of the components. We're going to be using a transmitter and a receiver as it has a 20 model memory since we're using the FlySky transmitter. Then we're going to be using propellers. Obviously, they're going to be 5 inches as they're very strong, they're lightweight, and they have a fast response. Then we have a LiPo battery, 2200 capacity rating. Then we're going to be using a power distribution board, which is also known as PDB. Our drone is going to use the 100 amps multi-rotor ESC power distribution battery board as it's stable, reliable, and it provides clean power. We are using an XT60 power supply for our drone as it's cost effective. Last but not least, we have our smoke sensors and fire sensors. These are important contributions to our drone as our drone is detecting fire in a forest. So the smoke sensor is basically a propane gas sensor. Our fire sensor is going to be the flame sensor, and it's basically sensitive to any flame and its radiation, and it will emit a signal immediately. It can emit both digital and analog. Thank you guys for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed it, and we want to just wish everyone best of luck in this competition. We look forward to taking part and hopefully winning. Don't forget, we fly high to seek help from the sky.